Today we're going to take a look at a unique challenge I hit building an application. Over here, we needed to have a drop-down with a list of values and a range. In this case, we wanted a range of pitch speeds so that we could essentially uh, record a quick pitch speed. Okay, so we had several options to do this. There's all sorts of hacks out there, but I want to share with you one approach that I took. So at first thought I was like, hey, let's create a quick table with the numbers 1 through 100, but I'm like, yeah, that's really overkill. There's got to be a way to do it. It's a little bit easier. So what we take advantage of in this example, what we're going to show you is how to use kind of hierarchical queries. And these are queries, you can think about it if you have a management chain, who's a high level manager, who's this, next level down, third level down, and fourth level down. We use the words connect by prior, and the syntax to do this quite often inside the Oracle database. So one example would be right here where you are querying employee IDs, names, managers, and then you want to see what level are they in the organization. In this example, Irma is 3 levels deep. So we're actually going to parallel off that, and we're just going to do a query where we say select level from dual and connect by the level, and then give it a max range. So I'll go ahead and run this query here. And you can see that it'll return our values of 1 through 100. Now, in my example, throwing a pitch speed of 20 miles or less, 60 feet is almost impossible. So what we did, or what I did to get this into the LOV, was to build out the query with some parameters. So in this case, I'm going to say we're going to select the level of pitch speed. We're going to have both the speed and the value returned because that's what's required for the list of values from dual, where the level is greater than 20 miles per hour in my case, but less than 105. So I'll go ahead and run that, show you it'll return the values over here. And I would simply, to build this in Oracle Apex 20.2, and go back to our page designer. Over here, you'll see we have speed. Set the variable as a type select list. We're going to use a SQL query, and then I can simply drop in this query. And the end result is what you see over here with the list of values with 2021 to 105.